Hi everyone, Hab Chef here. Hab Chef is my YouTube channel name. It means simply I can help you and show you how to cook. Hab stands for healthy eating leads people. I hope you eat healthy, enjoy more delicious food. Thank you for watching my video. So this is a comb fish, exactly look like a comb. So just be careful, peel the comb husk, so near the bottom part, and then we cut through the comb. So we use light on. So I will use the comb silk and then comb husk. So use light for comb fish. So I'm going to score the fish. So this is a very important part. So you try to cut this part a little bit bigger and then in the top more smaller. So when you fry, look exactly like a comb piece. So that score is need a good life skill. So let's start. So you cut the piece, score the fish like that. So don't cut through the skin. So very important. So just slowly cut through. So just before the skin. See? Before the skin. Can see? So this part, now you cut a small piece, just like a small comb piece at the top. So you can see small piece, small size. Yeah. So you can see cut through. Just before the skin cut through. So this is way same exactly before we cut through. So you can see the fish score here. So now put a little bit salt, just and little bit white pepper, and little bit cooking wine. So add the 3 teaspoons sugar, so 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, and some water. So lemon juice. So add a little bit salt. So now add 2 teaspoons. So custard powder. Add a little bit water. So we mix properly and we use later. So now add the custard, thicken up the sauce. So the sauce ready. So the fish before marinated. So now with the corn flour, all that flour go through every single piece, so you can separate like that. So let's go fry. So like that. So the oil pretty hot, so now can start to cook. So always hold it properly, in the middle start first. So hold. The color beautiful. Really crispy. Put the fish. So. Da 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 da.